What comes to your mind when you hear the word Tesla? An electric car and, of course, Elon Musk. Well, there is more to it now. Soon, you may witness a Tesla smartphone in the market. We have already seen several tech giants jumping from one industry to another, and Tesla is likely to follow suit. The expected launch of the Tesla phone, rumored to be called Model Pi or P, has been in the news for months now. So, when is the Tesla smartphone expected to launch? Musk is all set to conquer the world of mobile phones now. The industry, Tesla has produced a mobile phone with Starlink Wi-Fi built in. Will the Tesla Pi phone be superior to Apple's iPhone? Elon Musk has compared the Tesla to the iPhone in the past, so why not take it a step further and have a competing phone? Apple disrupted the smartphone market when it introduced the iPhone in 2007. Will Tesla do the same with the Model Pi phone? Hello and welcome to Tesla Reeve. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell to get updated with technology trends. We bring you the video of how Elon Musk reveals Tesla's smartphone with SpaceX technology and its impact on the industry. Tesla is taking on the smartphone industry, and as you can expect, the company led by Elon Musk has knocked it out of the park with its first phone. Feature-wise, there is nothing like the Model Pi on the market. The primary reason for this is because Musk is bringing all the amazing technologies from all of his companies to bear in the Model Pi phone, giving it enough edge over its competitors to dominate. For Tesla fans, one other Elon Musk-inspired product to look forward to is the powerful Tesla Model Pi smartphone. However, the phone will compete with other phones in the market, including the popular iPhone made by Apple. Apple is a universal name at this point, as it sells as many phones as it can make. Last year alone, the Cupertino-based company sold almost 200 million units globally. There is no doubt that Apple is getting more than a few things right with its iPhones, which it updates yearly. However, it is about to welcome one more competitor. This latest competition is backed by the might of the world's wealthiest man, who has literally infinite resources to throw behind his new product. With the backing of Musk, the Tesla Pi phone has everything it needs to succeed, because he has a track record of making a success out of everything he touches. If you are in doubt, Tesla sells the most electric vehicles today, while SpaceX is launching satellites to orbit at breakneck speeds for itself and other clients. It is also taking NASA astronauts to space and returning them. Likewise, his boring company is, well, boring away under our feet. Musk also has millions of fans who undoubtedly like to use a phone made by Musk to go nicely with their other Tesla products. Apple famously does not manufacture its phones. The company only designs and tests them in the US and contracts out the actual production. It has partners worldwide that make the components, including camera lenses, chips, screens, and so forth. If Tesla wants to stick with its tradition of assembling its own products, it would build its own assembly plants. However, building a plant for making phones is quite different from EV plants. The company might also try a cautious approach by contracting out the first few batches. North American EV maker Tesla's rumored Pi phone would be enabled with Starlink technology, implying that the phone would be perfectly functional on Mars, Gulf News suggests. Starlink technology is among the more important projects of Elon Musk and is deemed to be perfectly compatible with the next generation smartphone. His newest plan comes completely out of left field, as every indication points to the fact that he might soon have a new brand of mobile phones in the market, produced by Elon Musk's Tesla. However, rumors had been flying out of Tesla factories for quite some time. Based on such reports, in 2018, designer Martin Hajek created a mock-up of what a Tesla smartphone may look like if Musk ever decides to make a linked gadget for his electric automobiles. As one might expect, the hypothetical Tesla Model P smartphone by Martin Hajek has a sculptural form that resembles Tesla automobiles. A spine-like fin that runs from the top to the bottom of the gadget, which has a glossy red finish, is a tribute to Tesla's instantly recognizable design DNA. Overall, the Tesla Model Pi smartphone prototype appears luxurious, and even in 2021 is nothing like existing phones on the market. Well, what if we told you it's not all just about mock-ups and predictions of what a Tesla mobile phone may look like? What if we told you that a mobile phone is actually currently in the works and has been so at least since 2018? In 2019, even when Tesla was having trouble earning money, it didn't seem to stop it from attempting new initiatives, such as colonizing Mars, sending a vehicle into space, and creating the world's largest lithium-ion battery in Australia. If the /leaks leak is to be believed, Tesla is working on a smartphone codenamed Quadra. The leak merely reveals a shot of the Tesla phone's back and front panels, with no additional details about the gadget. It has small bezels on the side, a notch similar to the iPhone X, and no chin. The notch is smaller than the rest of the phone, and might hold an earpiece, front camera, and other sensors. On the upper left corner of the rear panel is a camera enclosure. The camera setups of Apple and Tesla are remarkably similar based on concepts floating around. However, the latest and most powerful iPhone, the iPhone 13 Pro, has 3 lenses at the back. The iPhone takes excellent pictures, including wide lens photos. The Tesla Model Pi phone has been shown to have 4 lenses. The Model Pi phone can do more. For example, you can point the Pi phone in the starry sky at night and take quality high-resolution pictures without needing a long exposure. You also use one lens to take a picture while another lens captures a video. The rear panel's center is nearly entirely taken up by a large Tesla logo T. It's possible that the phone's logo may shine. You can see an alphabet and the number 4 just below the logo. The Apple iPhone has been available for years, and Apple has not gotten tired of releasing new models every year. However, the Tesla Model Pi phone is still on the way, as Tesla still has to finalize the features and the design, but nothing says it will take longer to be available. Tesla's desire to distinguish out clearly through solar charging is a good match for them. With the correct attachment or cover, solar charging is currently possible for many smartphones. The concept is that you can leave it out in the sun to partially recharge your battery, and it's clearly environmentally good. It's a fantastic idea to consider integrating native solar charging on the Model Pi, and it's a great match for Tesla. For a Tesla smartphone, biometrics is an obvious choice. The business could conceivably leverage some of its smart camera technology to construct a Face ID system for self-driving Tesla automobiles. Fingerprint unlocking, on the other hand, is a possibility. For a Tesla smartphone to allow native connections, it will have to be consumer level. Perhaps the single greatest and most useful advantage of a Tesla phone in the short term that we can expect to see is a perfect utilization of SpaceX's future Starlink constellation to provide real-time, instantaneous GPS services. Model Pi will mine cryptocurrency, Mars Coin. The smartphone will mine cryptocurrencies supposedly called Mars Coin. Users will be able to use it on Mars, while the phone will also work as your crypto wallet. The iPhone has a textured matte glass back that is susceptible to cracking when dropped, which is why it is a course of wisdom to slap a case on it as soon as you unbox it. It has a prominent Apple logo on the back. The Pi phone has a prominent logo on the back too, but the phone has the ability to change colors based on sunlight. This is due to the photochromic coating on the phone. The iPhone charges through a port or wirelessly, with complaints rampant about how slow the latter is compared to other flagship phones. While wireless charging has not been confirmed for the Pi phone, it will include embedded solar panels so you can charge it with power from the sun, rather than waiting to where you can find a socket. That is not difficult for Tesla to achieve, as it has a solar panel production facility. Apple's iPhone has been around for years, and Apple hasn't tired of releasing new models every year or every 6 months. However, Tesla's Pi model is still on the way, as Tesla has yet to finalize the features and refine the technology. But according to experts, this will not take long to be available. That said, this is it for today's video. So, what is your take on this matter? Tell us in the comments. If you want to see our upcoming videos, ring the bell icon, and don't forget to like our video as well. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching.